Okay, here's a little update. We tore off some of the boards up here, and in doing so I tried to remove the center down in here without messing up this, but one of them dropped off when I was cleaning it out. It turns out it looks like it's kind of an 8-piece thing. So you have the 4 pieces on the corner, and hopefully the one that dropped didn't get damaged too much. I don't think it did, so I'll be okay. But this one should, it looks like it's coming out here. Okay, there we go. So these are the corner pieces, so we're missing a piece there. Must be still on here. And then we have these center pieces, which you can see them move here when I move the posts. So I'm going to have to get that other piece off, and then it looks like I'll just have to put these back on separately.